Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken this week. This just ended today. Today is Friday, April the 4th. So let's get started and see how we did in this week and get ready for the next week. So this is the first one. It started, well, no, sorry. So this is our gold chart. Here, this is the first trade starting. 30th, March 30th, that was Sunday. So as soon as the market opened up, this was the trade. It was taken by the EURAUD. See this little arrow there? And this is my sell order is right there. So this expert advisor, 7-minute live. This is a robot, auto robot. So it takes the trade entry and uh, it's 100 pip, 100 plus pip to the downside, Aussie yen. And most of the trades you will see that it's taken by the expert advisor. This one, Euro yen, also taken by that, and for 90 pip. This is a gold trade going to the upside. This is a slightly different robot that I made, especially for gold. It has different settings. And this one was opened by the EA. This trade, buy orders right there. SL move to break even plus, automatic, and 190 pip. This is again gold on 31st. Well, this is basically the same thing. It's, how I have two times. All right, so different dates I recorded. So the same trade. This one is pound Aussie on 31st. You see that? And I usually what I do is I make my directional chart, which is just gives me the turning points and direction, right? Which is my 40-minute chart. And based on that, I take these trades, right? So let me show you that what chart this trade was based on. 190 pip, not small trade, but I had the chart built made like this, right? So it's supposed to be dropping here and then go to the upside, but this thing started to go to the upside. So I said, well, it's going, and then I made the entry somewhere here and took it all the way there. That's right there, right? So this is how, and this thing ended up way to the upside here. It didn't even stop here, right? So I had the chart already made on the 29th March, and then this entry shows up. I mean, this was a good entry as well, and this was good entry as well. But sometimes the trading time is not the right time, so it's not trade is not taken. So you can see here, this is in the evening time. It's like 5 o'clock, 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. So that is not a very good time. So anyway, so this is pound Aussie, and then based on this chart, this is a Euro Aussie. Again, I don't know if I have the chart based on. Let me see. This 110 pip, and okay, yeah. So this was the chart on 40-minute chart. You can see here. I was pointing that it's gonna go all the way to the upside, breaking the TL, right? And it went and gave me this trade, right? So next is Nasdaq. You can see here 220 points from here, straight up. And this is again Nasdaq, second entry, 145 pip to the upside. Now this one is Euro Aussie. After going all the way to the upside, it start to come down here, and the 160 pip to the downside on the second, April 2nd. April 2nd, Aussie got strong, right? So Aussie, Euro Aussie and pound Aussie both dropped. And this pound Aussie is dropping. And let me see if I have the, no. All right, so pound yen going to the upside on the second, 125, right? 125 pip here, and then pound Aussie. This was a chart based on this chart. So it was going to the upside. I said we're probably going to bounce and then go to the upside. So it came down a little bit to this level, and then start to go to the upside and gave me this entry, right? From here, and then it gave me the entry, and I took it. 125 pip. So 40-minute chart is my bread and butter. And after that, once I determined that, okay, this thing is going in that direction, then I open my 7-minute and 20-minute chart, which I already opened on the other different computers. And then I place my EA in that direction, particular direction, right? Short only or long only. And if the setup is there, the trade opens up automatically. And this is again, see, this was the chart based on the 40-minute chart. Now this USD yen from 20-minute chart short entry for 160 pip on the second. And pound yen start to drop, 110 pip, sell orders right there. And this one is pound USD. You see this, how beautiful it is going to the upside. and it was also based on the chart I had made. I think I missed that chart. Pound USD going to the upside. Oh, this was the chart. See that? Pound USD 40-minute on the 29 March. There's wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and should be coming here and then going to the upside for wave 5. And that's exactly when you start doing that. You can see the 7-minute entry as well as 130 pip from here, and there's 20-minute entry, 170 pip from here. This was the 7-minute entry. So first entry was 770 pip all the way to the upside based on what chart? This chart. All right. Okay, so pound Aussie going to the upside big time based on what chart? This chart. All right. So pound Aussie 40-minute supposed to be going to the upside, and it started to go and gave me this 225 pip. Similarly, this Euro Aussie 255 pip right from here straight up. I don't know what the heck happened, but tariff things, right? And this was gold going down again, 150 pip. And I have the before chart for this one as well. Let me see if I have it here. This is for 170 pip. And then Aussie yen, I'll show you the gold chart later on. Aussie yen going down here to 265 pip. Remember, this week, April 2nd, Trump came up with these tariffs, right? And because of that, from there on, this is what happened. Volatility increased big time. And that's why you see those big trades. On the third, USD CAD here to the downside because USD start to get weaker, badly, 140 pip. That's why Euro USD and Pound USD went up, and USD CAD, USD Yen went down because of the USD weakness. Now on the fourth, Pound Yen 7-minute chart, 90 pip to the downside. And again, one more shot from the 7-minute, this for 70 pip here. Nasdaq going down from here to here, 500 pip. This is the 40-minute chart, by the way. Big chart. Now, Aussie yen from 7-minute chart, we can see sell entry here, 150 pip. Big volatility. And probably this volatility will stay next week as well. Now, Pound USD coming down here, 95 pip from here to here from 7-minute chart. And it is based on this chart. I made it on the third. That's going to come down from here to here. And right now it is exactly here at this place. Okay, it's on my website, I guess. Let me see. Before and after I posted here somewhere. I think it's on the right here as well. See that? This is the chart before, and then what happened to it? Right here. Actually, it went down all the way to this low here when the market closed today. So yeah, so this is what happened here. And the next trade is gold going down all the way 600 pips. Right, sell entry is right there. This is the entry, right? But this is, remember, this is a bigger chart, 500 box size, huge chart, right? It is based on, you see that? This is the chart I made, a 4-hour chart on the 31st, that somewhere here we're going to start making down move, going to the downside, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wave 5 should be ending here. And that's exactly what happened. And right now we are touching this trend line to the downside, right? And this is USD yen, the last, after dropping, this is what happened. All the yen pairs start to go up at the time of almost the closing time, Friday. They were all going to the upside. This is exactly one of that trade. I think I have a couple of others yen pair trades open, and then I left it over the weekend. Let's see what happened. But this is the one that was like for 120 pip, decent amount. USD start to get strong again a little bit, and then yen start to get weaker. So that's why this thing, I have a beautiful entry here. It was bearish here, and all of a sudden it became bullish. This is the entry. This is the entry. This is the entry. This system is very good, and when the price make the turn, the system gives a lot of entries, right? So this is it for now. This is the last trade, almost like 1-minute trades altogether. I think it was like 26 or something. I have it here on my website. Yeah, altogether 26 trades. They are all posted here. And if you want to see the last week and the last week, they are all here. The last week before this week, the total trade was 30 trades, and they are all posted here, right? And on my website, if you want to go there, and then you have before and after charts, all of it, like how I made my analysis chart before and then what happened to it. Courses, Elliott Wave course, harmonic pattern course, one-on-one coaching, my expert advisors, robots, all available here. Okay, so this is it for now. If you need anything, you can come on my website here, creativetradingsystem.com, and select whatever you need and be in my group. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. And let's get prepared for the next week, which will be a big week.